Hello, my name is Antoine Marchand. I'm a volunteer with Team for Youth, and I would like to make a Christmas tree with you today that can be hung in the Christmas tree. To make this tree, you will need a green leaf, a pair of scissors, glue, tassels, rope, and finally a small white cardboard sheet to make the star. To start with, we will draw the tree on the green sheet of paper, and I will show you an example that I have made. Then cut it out. Then we will go on the decoration part. To start, add a piece of rope to make a garland, then make a star for the top of the tree and the small leaf and cut it out. You can see the partial result on the photo. Then add the pompons to decorate the tree. Then take a wooden strip to make the trunk of the tree, and finally make a hole so you can hang it on the tree.